What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Another video, another blessed day, beautiful day, but looks like it might rain later, so trying to make this quick. So what I'm trying to do is replace this sway bar link right here, because right here is it's touching every time I take a bump. So hopefully with these Godspeed sway bar links we'll solve the problem. So we'll see. Trying to make this quick before it rains, so keep you guys updated. Alright, so I took out the OEM out of the car. Right now I'm just adjusting the new one, adjusting it to the OEM one. That way I can put it back. So this is for the left. This one's for the right. Kind of matched it, you know. They're kind of the same. So I'm gonna just measure it just to make sure. All right, finally. So I apologize for the last information I gave you guys. So I called my friend up and he said just make it short as possible, that way this sway bar won't hit this right here. So it should be good. So there's some clearance right there, probably like ½ an inch more or less, because with the OEM it will, like, you know, it will touch. So I don't know if you guys can see the little dents right there, little scratches, but yeah, like I said, I apologize for the last information I gave you guys. Don't match it with the OEM. Well, in my case, I shouldn't match it with the OEM. I just should have went just short, you know. So that way, in my case, the sway bar won't hit this right here. But yeah, got it now. These are Godspeeds, $60 from Amazon, plus shipping and handling, like come up to like 90. So yeah, nothing too crazy. 60 bucks, can't beat that. Better than buying $300, $400 sway bar links. And hopefully this does the job. So I'm gonna go for a test drive in a few.
Yeah, you go, boy. You mechanic. You a bad boy.
All right, I'm back from a test drive. No more noises coming from the sway bar, so that's good news. The usual bumps that I take, you know, every speed bump or little bumps that I take on the street on a regular, you know, no noises coming from the sway bar, so that's good. So yeah, so far so good. So if you are planning to go on bags or low, like fender to lip type look, I would recommend adjustable sway bar links. So just keep that in mind. But yes, now is driving 100% good. A week after owning airbags on the Type R it's fun. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, so it rides good. The ride quality is good. So yes, it's fun. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, like, comment, and share if you want. And hope you guys have a blessed day today. So you guys have a good day.